Hi everyone, my name is Ramona Carita Buso. I'm from Mahatao, Batanes, and a little background about myself. I am 38 years old, married with 3 kids, and currently an entrepreneur, a business owner of Petonia's Kitchen, a food services, and at the same time, I am the current president of the Mahatao Women's Association. I'm also a graduate of a 4-year degree course, a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from Arellano University. Past work experience would include 15 years of being employed from a BPO company in Manila, handled the banking and technical support services. I'm actually looking forward to celebrate the Women's Month, of course, here in our community, and I was so happy and excited that I came across to your page, to my feed, and I did saw the Shiro Summit 2025 opportunity. That's why I'm recording this video to formally introduce myself. I read about the summit, and I'm so eager and excited to grab this opportunity actually to participate in the Shiro Summit uh, 2025, because of course, being the president, I am passionate about empowering women and girls to become leaders and change makers in our community, specifically here in Mahatao, Batanes. And I believe that by joining this summit, it would definitely enhance my skills and knowledge, and be able to amplify women's voices and rights in our community. And I hope I get to be shortlisted in this summit, and hoping for a positive feedback from you guys. Thank you so much and have a good day.